classifying numbers. Take a look at our first example. We're being asked to tell whether the given statement is true or false and explain our choice. Our first statement says all real numbers are whole numbers. Well, if we look, we have real numbers that are rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, and irrational numbers. And whole numbers is just a little subset of the real numbers. So although some real numbers are whole numbers, not all real numbers are whole numbers. So very important to pay attention to that word there. So we know that this is false. Let's look at our next statement. No rational numbers are integers. Here is our subset of integers. Integers can be written as fractions with a denominator of 1. So every integer is included in the set of rational numbers. So integers are a subset of rational numbers, which means that our statement here is false. True, false, any way you look at it, classifying numbers is great. We'll see you next time. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. This time, we'll identify sets of numbers for real-world situations. Identify the set of numbers that can best describe each situation. Explain your choice. The ratio of the number of females compared to the total number of people in a room. A ratio of two numbers can be expressed as A over B. So if we think of the number of females as A and the total number of people in the room as B, then our ratio looks like this. Now, what kind of number or what type of number does that remind you of? I hope you said rational, because if you did, you are correct. Rational number. Now let's move on to the next question or the next example. The number of females in a group of people in a room. The number of females can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And what are those numbers called? Do you remember? Those numbers are the whole numbers. And there you have it. Rational numbers are great. They can help us understand and classify all sorts of real-world situations. Enjoy the rational numbers in your world, and I'll see you next time.